Today we're going to show a comparison of our Lamborghini aftermarket ECU with an original one. So both of them have the same PCB structure. All those components are basically the same. Where we could, we actually use the brand new components in our ECU. This is to extend the life of the ECU as long as possible, because the main problem with the ECU is not the ECU itself, but the components inside it, which maybe after 5 or 10 years will start to deteriorate and eventually don't work anymore. So what we did is to try to find brand new components in every case possible, and when it's not possible, we try to find alternatives or find some dealer of those components which actually could solve as new, not used components. Where we couldn't, we went with used components, but as less as possible, and we tested them on car to make sure that the ECU are fine. So we are very confident with our product, and we provide 1 year of warranty. While on a used ECU like this, the best we could do would be 1 month warranty, even if tested on car, because we don't know when, for example, this ECU will eventually be broken, or where this component will have problems. This kind of thing is hard to say when an ECU is already 10 years old. Then let's show the back side. So this is the back side. Here is the same logic, pretty much is the same. One important point is the sealant we use over here is different from the sealant used by Bosch. Ours doesn't stick as well as the one by Bosch, which is actually helping you to open it from both sides in case you want to review the hardware. Just keep in mind to add some sealant if you want to make sure the ECU doesn't get open, and add some paste if you want to make sure it's protected from heat. You can do that after when it's time to program it. For programming it, you can either use the BDM port, which is like it would be in an original one, or if your tool can support it, you can program it by bench protocol. That's also possible, exactly like the original. In terms of the part number, you will see here the part number with the part number here may be different. This doesn't matter too much as long as our sales confirm for you that they are compatible with our ECU, you can trust us. We also make sure that this ECU not only can fit to Lamborghini Gallardo and Audi R8, but also to certain Audi TT RS or some other which is smaller engines, but they still fit the same kind of ECU. However, those hardwares are slightly different, so we may have to make a small modification on the ECU for you in that case. However, this is also possible, which is quite convenient because those ECU are really hard to get by.